kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uba Prestone tensong uba dai pet jakatanat PWD mentaka sengi ka Hapoh trek ujleo arajar arpulai habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor Halor ke Jingtwa Khyndew hakeleng saudong nakadaw jong ke jing Jerusalem ula ong bana kaliang jong ula pathai ki Ophisar bakin long ki ba Peitngor hakabay dai bat kanu ke Jingtwa nakadaw jong Islam hakabay dai bat ke surok shlong dawki nakaliang ba Prestone ula ong baka tender jongkani kalaya chakman ha kabaya dei bat hadu menta kimpat tip manu bayo yaka ha kabaya dei pat bat ke Khyndew jong kisipai nadu sherpi ter nakaliang jong ba Prestone uliat ho bayakani ke sarkar Jylla kalada ban IT ha ke NHIDCL ban shnai ke surok bat ke sarkar kalada ban IT shaka lai no tangkitu ki jaka ki ba ke National Highway and Infrastructures Development Corporation Limited ki bana Delhi kalada ban ptha IT ya kani ke jaka
No, that in fact I've already instructed the department concerned, the commissioner secretary and all the engineers to be alert and to be active wherever damage happen. We need to again restore it at the earliest possible. So, Shillong Dawki Road project is in fact the retendering process is still on. I am very sure very soon the package one will be finalized. Whoever the successful bidders.
So NHIDCL is yet to get a major portion of the lands of the package.
From where?
From this Railbong to Ophisar.
No. Railbong to Ophisar I don't know because see, it is their responsibility to follow it off with the defense. Because this falls under the defense land. And defense land, in fact, from the Delhi they have decided to mark the land to the NHIDCL for construction of 4-lane road. So right now, as far as the state government is concerned, we have already handed over all the portion of land to NHIDCL, except those portions which fall under the defense land. Already instructed NHIDCL official, be alert, and 24/7 you have to also have a ready-made functionaries and also machineries. Whenever the landslide takes place, we have to remove it within few hours.
But what was the FIR filed against what is the latest on that? First incident.
Sorry?
First incident.
First instance when two died.
No, that one to now the investigation is on and the police is on the job. IO is on the job. And once the process of investigation is completed, so they'll submit it to the government.
So apart from Hima, also Sonapur tunnel is another major hassle that people are facing.
Yes, it is. But see again, let me just tell you one thing. As far as national highway is concerned, it is not directly in the control of the state. Shillong Dawki is being handed over to NHIDCL, and the Shillong, Guwahati, Jorabat, and then up to Nagpur again is being handled by Nahai. So these two organizations is being controlled by the Ministry of Road Transport themselves, and they are the one who has to look after all this. And we are in touch with them, and we have told them also, please be proactive and make sure that the traffic movement does not happen much.
But any long-term plans for the fall?
Long-term plan, yes. In fact, you know what happened was the expert from Delhi, the expert from IIT, they keep coming. They do the detailed survey, the detailed research, how to go about it, and that again they submitted directly the report to the Ministry of Road Transport.